Hi, I'm Craig Holliday with Holliday Group. We're out here at our LeBlanc metal building warehouse space. The owner's going to occupy this one area we have over here, which has been custom designed just for her, with bathrooms, office spaces, big overhead doors, allow a lot of cross ventilation and stuff through. The two other spaces adjoining it, these spaces will be for lease. They'll have office areas in the front, bathrooms in the front, and then big warehouse areas. So anybody wanting to lease the space has a lot of ability to have a lot of flex in what they want to, how they want to have it created. We have high ceilings. This is a single slope roof, so our high parts at the front, everything slopes straight to the back. You can see from the size of the beams coming through here and the size of the depth of those, really structurally sound. It's all set for 150-mile-an-hour wind loads, and with the way that the building's sloping, everything's very well protected. All of our overhead outside doors and windows are impact rated. Our big overhead doors are going to be impact rated as well. So in the event of a storm, the elevations and stuff here, this building will be very, very secure. We poured the slab here maybe a month ago. And in that time, the metal building people come in, they set up the main, all the brown metal you see, the structure goes up, the main lines go up, then the purlins for the roof go through in the joists, and then they form the end walls and the back walls. Then they layer the insulation board on top of that, and then they layer the metal roof panels on top of it, sort of squeeze it together. Creates a sandwich. You get the insulation values and stuff, and even in the middle of the summer where it's probably 95 degrees outside right now, I bet it's 15 to 20 degrees cooler in here. This particular unit will have all air conditioning. The other areas and stuff on the side will only have air conditioning in the front, but anybody wanting to lease, obviously there's flexible areas there if they want to add air conditioning or add more office spaces like that. One of the things that we always deal with is changes that are made under construction, and especially dealing with municipalities, different engineers. In this case, Florida Power and Light, which is one of our power suppliers here in the industrial park, had told us originally that the main power feed was going to be coming in off of Independence Boulevard, which is right there. So we brought all of our meters and main disconnects and everything over to this side of the building so that we can make sure that we feed underground and we'd go out to the front of the building for a very simple tie-in and everything else. After we started the building and after we got this panel location set, Florida Power and Light informed us that they changed their mind. They said that the power requirement in the handhold in the front was not going to be sizable enough for us, so that now we have a transformer that actually is for the building next door. We've got our power requirement from that transformer. So we've got to come across their parking lot onto our area and then now come all the way up here and reroute all of our areas. Working with Sarasota Electric, great subcontractor. We do a lot of work with them. We were able to adapt to what we have worked with. You can't get frustrated because it is a municipality. They'll tell you what the way it is, and then you just sort of adapt and overcome from that. So working with Sarasota Electric and with us, we were able to get with Florida Power and Light. We were able to coordinate with the owners of this building because it does require a full shutdown when we do the service change and tie into their transformer and then bring that across the parking lot to get us our power here. But once again, construction is a constantly evolving project. Whether it's the weather, whether it's the municipality, or whether it's a shortage of materials and supplies or labor, we all have to deal with this on a daily basis. Can't get frustrated, just got to understand it and then work with everybody that's there. Dealing with great subcontractors like Sarasota Electric makes it that much easier for us as general contractors. This building is really moving along really well. We're excited about it. It's up on North 301 in the industrial park up here, so anybody wanting to look at it, feel free to visit our website or talk to us. We can put you in touch with the leasing management and see what we can do to get the other two spaces leased. I believe they're about 3,500 square feet space each. We should be wrapping this building up here within the next couple of months and move on to bigger and better things.